Hey everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to update Snake.io application on your Android device. Even if you are using iOS, this process will guide you through the correct steps. Let's follow along. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Now, click on the search icon at the bottom and then in the search bar type in snake.io. From the search results, look for the snake.io game, this one over here, and once you get to this page, look if there is an update button available. If yes, tap on update and the Play Store will download and install the newest version. Wait until it finishes. If you don't see the update button, then the Snake.io application is already up to date on your device, or updates may roll out gradually. If you want to set auto update for the app, go to the top right corner and click the three dots and make sure that you've checked the box where it says enable auto update. And once you make sure of that, whenever a new update rolls out, it will be automatically updated on your device. So that's how you easily update Snake.io game to its latest version. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.